Twitter's IPO filing reveals data on daily revenue, user base and more. TechSpot. Also at TechSpot, found, here is what the city looks like without any people. TechSpot Home. Reviews. Guides. Product Finder. Forums. Downloads. Drivers. TS Extra. TechSpot News Products Downloads Forums. About. Sign in. Welcome to TechSpot. Why should I register? Sign up for a new account or log in here. Forgot your password. Couldn't sign you in. Please try again. Trending. Features. Hardware. Software. Mobile. Gaming. The web. IT. Apple. Microsoft. Security. More. CPU and motherboards. Graphics cards. Desktops. Laptops. Tablets. Smartphones. Storage. Cases. Input. Software and games. PC buying guide. Windows guides. Hardware guides. Software guides. Gaming guides and benchmarks. Tips and tricks. Laptops. Tablets. Smartphones. Storage. Monitors. Cases. Keyboards. Mice. Routers. Cameras. Games. More. Editor's choice. Most popular. Audio flash video. Internet tools. Gaming. File management. Security. System info. Utilities. Latest drivers. Most popular. Graphics. Motherboard. Input devices. Multimedia. Networking. Printers. Storage. Most recent. Audio flash video. Processors. Storage flash networking. Mobile. Software. Windows. Gaming. Community. More. TechSpot blog. Tech deals. Windows startup list. RSS feeds and social. Home news industry news. Twitter's IPO filing reveals data on daily revenue, user base and more. By Jose Vilches. On October 4, 2013, 12:30 p.m. Twitter's initial public offering filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission went public last night, offering a glimpse at a number of key figures for the 7-year-old micro-blogging service. From AD revenue to active users to the company's valuation and future outlook. Here are the most interesting tidbits from the filing. Revenue. Founded in 2006, Twitter only started testing ads in April 2010, generating $7.3 million for the year plus another $21 million from data licensing. AD sales leapt to $77.7 million the next year, becoming the #1 source of revenue for the company, and once again in 2012 to $269.4 million. This year, during the 6 months ended in June, Twitter had revenue of $253 million, $221 million from ads or more than twice what it had in the same period of 2012, but it still recorded a loss of $69 million. The company has yet to turn a profit. Advertising revenue comes from promoted tweets, promoted accounts and promoted trends. The majority of its revenue derives from mobile advertising, more than 65%. That's seen as an advantage over rivals like Facebook, which drew 41% of AD revenue from mobile in its most recent quarter, given the growing importance of smartphones and tablets over traditional computers. But it doesn't compare as favorably in other areas. For instance, Twitter measures advertising revenue per 1,000 timeline views. Over the last quarter that figure equated to $0.80, and though AD revenue per user is not specified, others have done the math already putting it at $0.55 versus Facebook's $1.41 of average advertising revenue per user during the same period. The company didn't break down AD revenue by region but noted around 75% of the total came from the US. International sales are growing, though, with Twitter focusing on Australia, Brazil, Canada, Japan and the UK. User base. Twitter's S1 filing reveals the service has 280 million active users per month and 100 million daily active users, spanning nearly every country. About 3/4 of them access the service from a mobile device, and although growth is slowing compared last year, the company believes there is significant opportunity ahead with an estimated 2.4 billion internet users and 1.2 billion smartphone users globally as of 2012.